It's freezing. This may ruin the plants. There is a way to save these plants from this extreme cold. What is that? We can use greenhouse effect to protect them from cold. What is greenhouse effect? See this house. This has so many glass panes. This is called greenhouse. When solar rays come into this house, heat up the air inside it. That hot air is trapped inside, which makes nice warm and humid environment for plants to grow. Similarly, the greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane and nitrous oxide in the atmosphere act like glass panes. When the sun's radiation reaches our atmosphere, some rays are reflected back into space and some are trapped into greenhouse gases, causing the atmosphere of the earth to warm up.